What's up, guys? Rob here, working out at Crank Hoboken, and today we are demoing the seated row. So if you remember, the last time we did dumbbells, we were using free weights, and today we're using one of our toys, another tool in the toolbox, the seated cable row. So it's still hitting the back, just using a different modality and just using our toys. That's what I call toys. So what we're going to do is get our feet into position. We're going to grab the close grip bar in position. I'm gonna extend my legs out for the most part. I might have slight flexion in my knees, so bending in my knees. And what I'm gonna do is, you see I'm not rounding, very important. That's a no-no, gonna hurt your back. Again, eventually something's gonna give, something's gonna strain, you're gonna pull something, something's gonna happen. All right, so stomach tight, always that midsection nice and tight, big chest, shoulder blades are retracted, and I'm gonna pull straight back, all right? And then stretch it out, pull back, all right? Lead with the elbows, pull back. Big back, let your back do the pull, all right? Nice and tight, stay stable, pull that bad boy back. All right, be careful that this doesn't happen, and all that rounding in the back. Now the back could get some flexion, but that's crazy, and eventually something's gonna happen. And then you might see somebody doing this, that's bad. All right, don't do that. Drop the weight down or stop, figure it out. All right, nice and tight, retract the shoulder blades, and then pull it straight back. All right. I hope that helps. Just another way of, you know, keeping it funky, like having fun and doing different things in the gym, and don't stick to doing one thing, do different things. That way it doesn't become stale. Once it becomes stale, it becomes boring, you lose that love. That's it, that's why progression, people start to see results, and then it stops because people get bored. Don't get bored, do different things, and have fun. All right, hope that helps. Till next time, Rob, Crank Hoboken.